This is my favorite lip oil. This is from LA Girl, and I love this lip oil. It is so good, so good.
I miss that sexy smile. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, 'cause I was loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right thing, I'm ready to know.
Hello my lovely beautiful people, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well. Thank you for watching and thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking, thank you for watching, and I do appreciate it. And so in today's video, it's a home day, so there is no need to look pretty, no brows, no makeup, just the lip oil that I just showed you guys. And this is from LA Girl. I'm gonna leave this down below for you guys just in case you want to pick it up. And I'm just going to show you guys my outfit of today, and it's just really simple. This is just a simple leggings that I'm wearing. I think I got this from River Island, and the top, I've had this top in my collection for such a long time. So just a very simple outfit today, very easy, simple, very relaxed, and that's what I am wearing today. And I purchased something new for my kitchen that I want to show you guys. It's a vegetable steamer. I've been using it for a bit now. It's not that new, but I've been using it for a bit, and I just love this vegetable steamer. You can steam your fish, your vegetables, your corn, your crab legs, your lobsters. You can do all kinds of things in this steamer, and you don't have to add oil or anything like that to it. You can just add your flavoring to the bottom. And I'm going to show you guys in another video how I cook my meals in my vegetable steamer. And this is from Hamilton Beach, which is an amazing brand, and I really love this vegetable steamer. It is so good. One of my favorite things for my kitchen, because you know what? I'm just trying to make my life really simple, trying to eat healthy and all of that stuff. So I really do hope you guys have a chance to pick up on one of these. It's a really lovely steamer. And I also picked up a butter dish, and I don't use butter with salt, it's unsalted. And I was always so lazy. Sometimes I'm just gonna open up the butter and just leave it in the fridge, and I thought, you know, Dad, come on. A butter dish is so cheap, but I thought I'm just gonna get the cheapest one ever. And you can find these butter dishes anywhere, Walmart, Amazon, Asda, anywhere you want. You can find a butter dish, okay? And that's what I did. Anywho, and one of the things I also love to use around my home is this sleep spray. I got this from Mark and Spencer, and this is a sleep body and pillow mist, and this smells so lovely. Oh my god. Ooh. And anything from Ragdale Hall is always so good. I have their sleep body butter and their sleep bath salts as well, which is so good. And so I spray this in the room, and I spray this on my pillows and on my sheets and all of that. And it really does give you a little moment of relaxation. And so this is it right here. I do have a little clip coming up as well, and there it is. And it smells absolutely wonderful. And next I have this Dettol spray. This is a spray and wear, and this is only available in the UK. You can get this at Waitrose or Amazon UK. And when I change my sheets, I just spray a little bit of this in the room to freshen everything up. I spray a little bit of this on my mattress, in my living room, on my couches, in my closet, on my clothes. Just a little bit of this you need, and that's it, because this can come across very strong to the nose. So it smells really wonderful. It smells really fresh. When I clean my bathroom, I spray a little bit of this in my bathroom, and it just feels so good. I feel like the air is really clean in my home when I use this. And again, Amazon UK or Waitrose. You can get this probably from Asda as well, or maybe Sainsbury. You can try, and it is so good. So I am going to be decluttering my makeup storage for you guys. I don't know if you remember this makeup storage that I have. And I'm going to be decluttering some things because a lot of my makeup is outdated. And I really want to build a PAX wardrobe, which I'm going to show you guys in just a minute. So I'm going to be going through this in just a few seconds for you guys so you can see what I'm taking out, what I'm getting rid of. Because I really do need to declutter this space now. So let's go. Okay, my lovelies, so I'm going to be going through this stuff today, and I'm going to be getting rid of some things because some of these makeup is so outdated. I still remember when I started my YouTube channel years ago, I was using a whole bunch of old products. In the meantime, I had no idea back then what my skin type was, what my skin needs was, and I really wasn't into a lot of skincare that much, not even a lot of makeup as well. And so eventually as time went on, I was just getting used to new brands and new makeup and stuff like that. So today, I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of stuff because I really want to build a PAX wardrobe. Well, let me just show you guys quickly. You may not be able to see this on camera, but I've already built it on the IKEA website. And so I have to decide which design to go with. Let me just see if I can find it. I think I have two of them. I'm not quite sure where the other one. Yes, so I have two of them. So you may not be able to see this. So this is one of the designs that I have. Let me just bring that close so you guys can see. Oops, hold on. So this is it right here. So I have my ring light on, so I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying to organize this IKEA wardrobe. And there's another one that I designed as well, which I'm sorry about the ring light, guys, I'm so sorry. And this is it right here. So I have two of them, which I'm going to decide which one that I want. I'm just going to put this down. So the space is big enough to to fit my wardrobe, but of course, you have to design everything online and speak to the expert and have it shipped. But I am going to have someone come in and put it together for me because I just can't. Anyway, so I do have my bag right here. Some things, like my brushes, I'm going to keep, but I am just going to go through this pile of things and see what I can get rid of. I'm just going to put it aside. And this is an Illuminating Touch Brightening Concealer. I'm going to get rid of that. Huda Beauty is going. What else is there? This is Milani. That's definitely going. This is from Nagi Cosmetics. This is an amazing concealer. I'm definitely going to keep that. Eyeshadow primer is going. I'm going to be getting rid of lots.
You, I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's done right. We already know. You, I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's done right. We already know. You, I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby.
Okay, my lovelies, cleanup is done. I have decluttered as much as I can. I got rid of a whole bunch of makeup and lipsticks and powders and eyeshadow palettes. I still have a lot of things to go through because I really do want to get rid of a lot of things. And like I said earlier, I'm trying to get my PAX wardrobe built and I want everything to be in the drawers. So I'm just taking my time with that. when I get my packed wardrobe, I'm going to show you guys what the wardrobe looks like, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of that organization for you guys as soon as that is built. And I'm going to be choosing probably the first design. The second one, not so much, because I change my mind all the time. And when that's built, I'm going to let you guys in to see what that looks like. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Bye.